Welcome! This video will explain the steps needed to switch to paperless delivery for your statements. By the end of this video, you will identify the advantages of paperless statements, and then you will go through the steps to switch to paperless delivery. Note, these instructions apply only to participants who have a Minnesota Deferred Compensation Plan and/or a healthcare savings plan. Paperless statements will allow you to feel secure that documents haven't been lost in the mail, allow you to cut down on paper clutter in your home, and enable you to print only what you need. Statements and documents are available in your account for up to 2 years. Now we will cover the steps to switch to paperless delivery. Step 1. Log in to your MSRS online account. That includes visit the MSRS website, enter your login credentials for MSRS account online, select how you'd like to confirm your identity, and enter your verification code. Step 2. Select Go to Savings Plans. Step 3. Select account activity that occurred July 1st, 2025 or after, then select Continue. Step 4. Select your name at the top right of the screen and then select Communication Preferences. Step 5. On the Communication Preferences page, scroll down until you see the section called Paperless or Mail Options, and then select the button that says Go Paperless with one click. Step 6. Success! Your statements will now be delivered paperlessly to your email. Optional Step 7. If you want to further customize your preferences, select Edit on the right side of the screen, then make your selections, and then select the Apply Changes button. Thank you. Please contact MSRS if you ever need support. Thanks again.